All right, guys, you've seen the title and the thumbnail, and I'm coming today with a quick and easy recipe. Did I mention delicious? I'm gonna show you guys how to make a French onion ground beef and rice casserole. Yep, get in the kitchen, let's go. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get started. Let's do a rundown of what we have back here. We have our ground beef. We have some thinly sliced onions here. We have our rice. Now, I've already rinsed and washed it. Beef broth, Swiss cheese, some crispy fried onions, French onion soup mix, olive oil, thyme, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and we have some butter here. That's all you need. Let's get to it. All right, to get started, we're gonna heat up our olive oil. Once that oil comes up to temperature, you wanna add your onions. And we're gonna cook these babies for several minutes, for maybe about 5 or 6 minutes. And what we're looking for is a nice golden brown color. All right, so once your onions are beautifully golden brown like this, we're gonna go in next with our ground beef. And we're gonna break this up as we go. I'm gonna hit this with some onion powder, hit it with some garlic powder, black pepper, salt, and some thyme. And we're gonna continue to break this up until it's brown, cooking that beef all the way through. All right, so it looks like we're good. Our meat is brown. If you have some additional liquid in here, you might want to get it drained out. Mine didn't seem to produce a whole lot of fat, really not a lot at all. So we're gonna turn our heat off. We're gonna remove our pan. If you got some fat on there, drain it off. I'm probably gonna go over and drain just a little bit of it off. And then we're gonna move back over to our cutting board. All right, so now we're gonna take a large mixing bowl. We're gonna add our beef here. We're gonna add our rice. And this is uncooked rice, guys, uncooked rice. And it's already washed and rinsed. Guys, I'm going in with half a pack of French onion soup mix. I'm not gonna put the whole packet in. I don't want it to be too salty since we already salted the beef. And we're gonna throw some salted beef broth in here. So we're gonna come across that next with the beef broth, because we can always add additional salt at the end, but you can't take salt away. And nothing is worse than having a salty meal. Plus the doctor told me I need to stay off the salt. All right, so anyway, get that mixed up like this. All right, so go ahead and preheat your oven at 365 degrees while you're getting this baby mixed up. I'm sorry, 375 degrees. Now we're gonna sit this aside and get us a baking sheet. All right, so now we're at our baking sheet. I'm gonna spray it with a little cooking spray, just so that rice doesn't stick to the bottom. Now this is not a 9x13, but you can use a 9x13. I think this one here is gonna work just as well. I'm gonna pour our mixture in here. And the reason why I like this particular dish here is because with a 9x13 is a lot of space. So the mixture will spread like this, so it won't be as high like this particular dish right here. As you see, it's leveled up. If it was a 9x13, it'd be all spread out and be kind of low and flat. And when we stick that spoon in there at the end, we want to come out with a spoonful. All right, I hope I'm making sense. Maybe I'm not. All right, so that's what we have. All right, the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take our butter and we're gonna add it to the top. I just diced it up into little cubes like this. And we're gonna take some aluminum foil and we're gonna get that baby covered up just like this. Make sure that baby tight. All right, we're gonna stick it in there. I'll see you guys in 30. All right, so guys, this has been 30 minutes. We're gonna remove our aluminum foil. Take a look at what we have right here. All right, so the next thing we're gonna do is add our Swiss cheese to the top. And how I do sometimes in the middle of the recipe, I call an audible, and I'm doing that one in this one. I'm gonna add some Parmesan cheese to the top of this too. I think this is gonna give it that added touch with this Swiss cheese. All right, and we're gonna put this back in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes till the cheese is bubbly, and we're gonna bring it back out, all right? So take a look at that after about 15 minutes. Now we're gonna finish this off with our crispy onions on top. All right, our last time in the oven, 5 additional more minutes. All right, so after the last 5 minutes, this is what we have. And to finish this baby off, we're just gonna add some of those, some of that freshly chopped parsley, add a little color to it. And guys, there you have it. French onion, ground beef, and rice casserole. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Let's jump into quality control. We gotta do a taste test. Let's go. All right, guys, it's time for quality control. We're gonna bring these groceries to the front of the congregation, man. Take a look at these groceries right here. Man, these are groceries. Oh, man. Without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and get into it. Oh, man. I don't know if I was expecting this. It's cheesy, Swiss cheesy. Yeah, this is an easy one here. And it's delicious. The rice, cooked all the way through, not mushy, every single thing on point. So guys, definitely add this one to your list. And also, it's not even salty either. I probably could have added that other pat in there, but to be honest with you, it's fine just like this. So until then, guys, y'all already know who I am. All wings, everything. And remember, he's not a chef. Him just cook a lot. And I'm out. Peace.